Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to show you how to export a list to Microsoft Excel in this tutorial. So I'm looking at Act Premium Cloud. We currently have a list view where we have 8 contacts. And if I want to take this list view and send it out to Excel, it's very easy to do. All I have to do is come up here to the top right, click on Export to Excel, and any of the information you see here with only these specific headings, it now just exported it out to Excel. So I'm going to click on Open File. It will open it up. And I have Excel on another screen. So in just a couple seconds, I'm going to throw it over here just so you can see what it looks like. And there it is. All my contact information with my headings. I'm going to click on Enable Editing. This is it. And I can make these fields a little bit bigger so it fits it. And that is my list view exported out to Excel. It is very easy to do, and it's great if you need to work with things in Excel for whatever reason. Thank you so very much for being here. You have a great day, and be well. Bye now.